Want to manage your store, track sales, and fulfill orders right from your phone? In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Shopify mobile app to run your business from anywhere. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The Shopify mobile app is a powerful tool that puts your entire store in your pocket. Let's get it installed and connected to your store in just a few simple steps. First, head to your device's app store. Search for Shopify and download the official app. It's the one with the iconic S-Bag logo. It's free to download and use with your Shopify plan. Once installed, open the app. You won't need to create a new account. Simply tap Log In and enter the same email address and password you use for your desktop Shopify admin. This will securely connect the app to your store. The app will likely ask for permission to send you push notifications. I highly recommend allowing this. This is how you'll get instant alerts for new orders, which is crucial for providing fast customer service when you're away from your desk. After you log in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. The mobile interface is clean and intuitive. You'll see key metrics like total sales, active orders, and visitor activity right on the home screen. Swipe through the tabs at the bottom to navigate between home, orders, products, and more. A crucial pro tip: for added security and convenience, set up biometric login like Face ID or Touch ID. You can find this in the app's settings. This means you can access your business data quickly without having to type a password every time, while keeping it completely secure. And just like that, your store is now mobile. You're no longer tied to a desk. If this tutorial helped you take your business on the go, please give it a thumbs up. What's the first thing you'll do from the mobile app? Let me know in the comments below. To become a true Shopify power user, subscribe for our next guide on how to master the Shopify admin dashboard. Thanks for watching.